How does IHL prohibit hostage-taking? Imagine a world where no one can be used as a pawn in conflicts, where the safety of innocent people is protected by clear rules. That's what international humanitarian law aims to do. It sets strict limits on what can and cannot happen during armed conflicts. One of the most important rules is the prohibition of hostage-taking. Hostage-taking happens when someone is seized or held against their will, often with threats to hurt or kill them. The person holding the hostage then demands something from a third party, like a government or organization, to get what they want. This could be to stop fighting, release his prisoners, or gain some political advantage. The key element here is the threat or coercion aimed at someone else to force a specific action. International humanitarian law, which includes the Geneva Conventions and other treaties, explicitly bans hostage-taking. The Geneva Conventions, especially the Fourth Geneva Convention of 1949, clearly prohibit taking hostages in international armed conflicts. The same rules apply to non-international conflicts through common articles of the Geneva Conventions. The 1979 International Convention Against the Taking of Hostages also defines hostage-taking as a crime and makes it illegal worldwide. It spells out that taking hostages is a serious violation of international law. The Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, which is the main court for trying war crimes, also classifies hostage-taking as a war crime. This means individuals responsible can be prosecuted and punished. When hostage-taking occurs, it is considered a grave breach of the Geneva Conventions. This obligates countries to take legal action against those responsible. They must either prosecute or extradite the offenders. This helps ensure accountability and prevent such acts from going unpunished. The prohibition protects civilians and prisoners of or from being used as tools of coercion. It also stops the use of human shields, which is closely related to hostage-taking. Both practices involve exploiting protected persons to gain military or political advantages. In simple terms, international humanitarian law makes it very clear that taking hostages is illegal. It is written into key treaties and criminal laws to protect people during conflicts. These rules help uphold human dignity and ensure that those responsible face justice. The law also reminds everyone that violence and coercion have limits, even in war.